It's another example of clutching in and coasting. It really gives you that ability to go slow and be aggressive without having to worry about downshifting or stalling out or any of that. So you can see in the video how I use that to my advantage versus trying to go and downshift gear by gear by gear. It doesn't really make any sense. I can just drive up to the spot, be aggressive on the brakes, clutch in, let the car coast into the spot, clutch up to bite point, give a little bit of gas and go. And I don't got to worry about shifting. So it's very useful. I've made a lot of videos about clutching in and coasting, and here's another one. You can see near the end there's a couple of clips where I don't have to coast. You can see that traffic starts to move and I just left it in gear. So it's not for every situation, but you can make those decisions. This one again, when the traffic's busy, you need to know how to clutch in and coast. If you don't know how to clutch in and coast at this point, then it's troublesome. So you need to be able to go slower than first gear and just kind of cruise into the opening that you can find. Okay, I see traffic's backing up, so I'm gonna let off a bit so I don't go riding people's bumper and having to go into first gear and do stop and go, stop and go. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in first gear and I'm just gonna pick a spot. Usually in front of these tractor trailers there's always some kind of opening. Gonna clutch in, gonna coast into the spot, give a little bit of gas, clutch up, and that's it. Okay? So you're basically just coasting into the spot and controlling your speed with the brake, not feeling like you're trapped in the one gear, in first gear or second gear, whatever. Like at this kind of slow speed, it's gonna be first gear probably. So if you just feel like you gotta stick it in first and kind of find your way into the spot at first gear speed, you might feel like you're kind of stuck at that speed, but you can go slower if you coast into the spot. Okay, so we're gonna pick one spot in the front there. Right here, I'm gonna brake, I'm gonna clutch in, coast, put to second gear, gonna give a little bit of gas, clutch out. Okay? Okay, I'm in second gear. We're gonna go ahead of these people just to make it a little more interesting. So right here, I'm in third gear. I'm gonna brake, I'm gonna clutch in, I'm gonna put to second gear, a little bit of gas, smooth clutch out, and gently just give gas so the car picks up a little bit of speed into second gear range, and that's it. Okay, so if you learn how to clutch in and coast, it really gives you that, a lot more ability to control your speed. Okay, we're gonna merge on the left, and there's a lot of traffic here, so let's pick a spot. I'm in third gear, not worried about what gear I'm in. I'm gonna pick a spot in front of this Volkswagen. I'm gonna clutch in, hard brake, first gear, hold the clutch down, clutch up, give a little bit of gas at the bite point, get the car moving, clutch out, and that's that. Brake, ease off the brakes. I'm gonna give myself space because I see there's a lot of, it's all stop and go. No need to rush up. I'm in third gear, look again, in front of the tractor trailer, big space. But we're not gonna pick this space, we're gonna go up ahead and we'll pick a different space. Right in front of this minivan, I'm gonna brake. And that's it. That time I didn't need to coast. Probably be better if I put it down a gear, but I'm giving gentle gas, wait for the car to pick up some speed. Now I'm in third gear speed, okay? Shift. And this traffic's going a little bit quicker. But we're gonna go right to the end here. I'm in fourth gear. I'm just gonna brake, signal, ease in. I'm slowed way down, so I'm gonna put the third, smooth clutch out, give a little gentle gas, pick up speed, don't gotta go into second gear, and